dinner. And then they're going to eat. Oh my God!
So here we have the next update to the homunculus videos carried out by the Russian YouTuber Korney, or How To. In this video we see once again the two homunculi are in the same tank, but this time something weird seems to be going on. The homunculus he named Pikachu seems to have attached itself to the other one, named Slowpoke, with its long neck, and he even states that he's not sure what's going on in the video. Now first off, it seems like they're trying to eat each other, or Pikachu is attempting to eat Slowpoke, but then later on he says he comes back a day later and Slowpoke has not been digested. So in his opinion they might be mating or something like that. Which could be interesting. It'd be interesting to see if the offspring, what they look like, if there are any produced at all. And then again, he did only check back a day later, so indeed it could be eating the other one. It just might be taking a long time. We know a lot of times stuff like flies or slugs, they very slowly digest their prey, and since they're both slow moving, there's not really a need to kill it quickly and eat it as fast as possible, so might as well take its time, right? I didn't think it was real to start with, and I still don't think it's real. I think this is CGI mixed with some practical effects. That's what I'm going for at the moment. And once again, the best way to debunk this is to live stream it, but also have sort of requests so that we can confirm that it is indeed being live streamed. So just to prove that it isn't pre-recorded or something like that. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think? What do you think the offspring of these two will look like? Like this video if you did, share it with a friend. Send me a video on Twitter at @all_things_C. And of course, if you haven't already, subscribe for more creepy content.